Hello students, welcome to today's math class. Today we are going to start our last section from unit 3, that is section C, word problems. I hope everyone go through section A and B and how you learned how to find out the volume. In section A, we learned how to find out the volume of cubes and cuboids by counting the cubes. One example I given here, that is, we will count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 cubic centimeter or 8 unit cubes used to make this figure. In section B, we'll use the formulas or equations to find out the volume of cubes and cuboid. Because when it is not possible to count the cubes and find out the volume. That's why we are using these formulas. For cube, we use this formula, that means volume is equal to s cubed. All the sides are equal for cubes. For cuboid, we are using the equation LBH. That means length into breadth into height. In section C, we are using these formulas to solve the problems. Now, we can move to section C. There are some steps to solve the word problems. When you will go through these steps, it will be very easy for you. The first point, you have to read the question carefully from the start to end or finish. Okay? You have to read the question carefully. The second point, underline the question you need to answer. When after reading, you have to find out what question you need to answer. That question you have to underline it. In the third point, you have to circle or highlight the important information. In each question, some clues are given there or some informations are given there to solve the problem. You have to find that one and you have to circle or highlight it. The fourth step, you have to solve the problems using different strategies. Either you can draw the picture to represent the question, or you can directly use the equation. And last, after finding out the answer, you have to write it in a complete sentence by restarting the question. Already we underlined the question, so from there you have to make a sentence to answer the question. I hope it is clear. I will show you how to do in a problem this. Okay. Just read this question. A rectangular container measuring 50 centimeter by 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter is completely filled with sand. Find the volume of the sand in the container. Give your answers in cubic centimeter. Now what we did, we complete the first step. We read the question from the start to the end. The second step, you have to find the question what you need to answer. For in this problem, I underline here, this is the question. Find the volume of the sand in the container. This question you have to answer. So what we will do, we will underline the question. The third point, you have to circle or highlight the information given in the question. In this question, 50 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter. These three measurements I highlighted there because these are the information given in the question to answer it. Then, the fourth step, you can solve the problem by using strategies. Any strategy. Either you can represent the measurement or the question with a diagram or picture. Otherwise, if it is not compulsory to draw, you can directly go with the equation. Here, when we will do like this, it will be easy to clear the doubts and all. So, here 50, I draw the figure here. You can see the measurement 50 centimeter, breadth 30 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. This one marked here. Now you can check this figure and the measurement. It shows it's a cuboid. So already we learned how to find out the cuboid volume by using the formula. The formula is LBH. So the question is find the volume of the sand. So you have to write volume of sand is equal to. You have to find out the volume. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now you can change the length, breadth and height with the measurement. Length 50 centimeter, breadth 30 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. Now you have to evaluate. Evaluation means you have to multiply these numbers and write it. So first we can do this two. Multiplication. When the numbers are ending with 0, it is easy to multiply because we already know the table of 5 and we know the table of 3 and we know the table of 2. So first you have to multiply the digits 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15 and add the 2 zeros. So this part over. Now what we have to multiply? We need to multiply with the height also. So write the measurement here. So 1500 multiplied by 20. Now you can multiply the digits like this. 0 you can leave it like that. Then 15 multiplied by 2. That means 2 times we will multiply to a table of 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. When you will double 15 you will get 30. First we will write 30 there. Then count how many zeros are there here. 1, 2, 3. So that 3 zeros we will write it here. Now you have to write the unit. Always it should be cubed. Check the side centimeter or meter or whatever given. They just check that one. It is given here centimeter and write 30 centimeter cube. We learned the last step. You have to write the answer by sentence, by restarting the question. Here what is the question? Find the volume of the sand in the container. So this one we will change it as a sentence. How to change? The volume of the sand in the container is, we already got the answer. Write it here. 30,000 centimeter cubed or cubic centimeter. Okay. Now we will do 2 more problems. So it will be easy for you to do the homework. Okay. Okay. Now we move to second question. A rectangular tank measuring 40 centimeter by 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter is 1/3 filled with pebbles. Find the volume of the pebbles in cubic centimeter. Now we completed the first step, that means reading the question from the starting to the end. Second point, we have to find out what you need to answer. That we have to underline it. Here you have to find the volume of the pebbles. Now we underline the question. The third step, we have to circle the important points in the question. Here the information given there 40 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter. This is the one information. The second information 1/3 filled with pebbles. So these are the information given in the question. The next point, we are going to find out or solve the problem by using the strategies. Here we are going to draw the figure. See, already I have drawn here a rectangular tank. We will write the measurement 40 centimeter and 30 centimeter breadth and 20 centimeter height. Now 1/3 filled with pebbles. So if we will divide this rectangular tank in 3 parts. So first part here, second part here and third part here. So 1/3 is filled with pebbles. So we can fill the pebbles here like this. This much. One-third is filled with pebbles. That means that this rectangular tank is not fully filled with pebbles. Only 1/3 is filled with pebbles. So we want to find out the volume of the pebbles only. Up to here, what is the volume? This much only we want to find out. So to find out that one, first we have to find out the volume of this rectangular tank. So we can write here the equation. Volume of rectangular tank. What is the equation to find out the volume of cuboid? That is L multiplied by B multiplied by H. L stands for length. So 40 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 30 centimeter. And height is equal to 20 centimeter. Now here all the numbers are ending with 0. So only we have to multiply the digits and you can add the 0 here. So here we will find out first to this one. Okay, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. And we will add the 0. Either if you want to do the workings, I will show you here. 40 multiplied by 3. So first we will add 1 0 here. Then multiply. 3 zeros are 3 0. 3 fours are 12. This is the answer. Now we want to multiply with the height also. Multiplied by 20. So here, when you will multiply, just check count how many zeros are there. 3. Then multiply with the number. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now we got the answer. Volume is equal to volume of the tank. Rectangular tank is equal to 24,000. And here the measurement is in centimeter. Side is centimeter. So when we will write the volume, it should be cube, centimeter cube. So we find out the volume of the rectangular tank. Now we want to find out the volume of the pebbles. So we will write next step. Volume of equals, it is given there 1/3 filled with pebbles. So 1/3 of total volume. Okay, now multiplied by, what is the total volume? 24,000. Okay, now that means when you will multiply the fraction with the whole number, multiply with the numerator 1 into 24,000. So divided by 3. So here we will do the division. Okay. 3 in 24, how many times it will go? 8 times. Okay. 8 3s are 24. Subtract, it will get 0. We cannot stop the division because 3 more zeros are left here. So we will bring the first one 0 times. Okay. Now bring the second one. Here also it will go 0 times. 0 into 3 is equal to 0. Subtract. Then the last digit, that means 0. Here also 0 times. So Now no need, nothing is to bring down. So we will finish our division. So what is the question we got? 8,000. Okay. This 8,000 is the volume of the pebble. So we will write, we learn when we will write the answer, restart the question to write the answer. Find the volume of the pebble. So we have to write volume of the pebbles equals this one, 8,000 centimeter cubed or cubic centimeter. So this is the answer for the question. Find the volume of the pebble is 8,000. Here just find out, here 1/3 is 8,000. So 3 times 8,000 it will become 24,000. You can check like this, answer is correct or not. Okay. Now check the question number 3, example number 3. In this question, a rectangular container measures 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So, we will first draw the figure here. We will draw a rectangular container. Like this. Okay. Now we will write the measurement there. What is the measurement given? A 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter, and the height of this tank is or container is 10 centimeter. Now the next point, what? Cubes of ice measuring 5 centimeter by 3 centimeter by 2 centimeter each are placed into the container. That means the ice cubes. You know how to draw the ice cube? Like this. Like this is an ice cube. Imagine this one an ice cube. Okay. The measurement, the ice cube's measurement here given there, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay. Now, how many cubes of ice are needed to completely fill the container? The question is, when we will take like this, the same measurement of cubes, fill it in this box. So, how many cubes of ice we needed to complete or completely fill this container? So, first we have to find out the volume of this container. Okay. Right there, volume is equal to, how to find out the volume of cuboid? L multiplied by B multiplied by H, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now we will apply the number here. 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So when we will find out like this, 30 multiplied by 20. Here you can do the workings. 30 multiplied by 20. If the numbers are ending with 0, just you have to multiply the numbers here. So you can add the 0 here. 2 zeros are there and 3 twos are 6. Okay. So here 600. Now 10 centimeter height also we have to multiply. Any number multiplied by 10 is equal to, just write the number and add one more 0. That means when you will multiply 10, 1 multiplied by 600 is equal to 600, then add the 0. So volume is equal to, and what is the unit here given? Centimeter. So you have to cube it. So we find out the volume of this container, rectangular container. Now we have to find out the volume of this ice cube. Okay, so right there, volume of ice cube equals. What is the measurement given there? 5 centimeter. First we will write the equation, okay? Then we can apply. Length 5 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter width and 2 centimeter height. You can check this. Equals 5 multiplied by 3. 5 3s are, need the working, equals 15. So 15 multiplied by height also we need to multiply. So write here 2. 15 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So the answer, volume of the ice cube 30 centimeter cube. The question was how many cubes we needed to fill the container. If the volume of the container is 6000, 1 cube's volume is 30. So we have to find out number of ice cubes needed. Okay. Number of ice cube needed means you have to first write the total volume. That means 6000 divided by the volume of 1 ice cube, 30. How to do this division? We can cut the zeros here. That means 6000 divided by 30 is equal to, when you will cut this 0 and here. So what is left there? 600 divided by 3. Now you can do the division here. 3. In 6, how many 3s are there? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 times 2 3s are 6. Subtract, 0 will get. Bring down this 0. How many times it will go? 0 times. Subtract. One more 0 is left to bring. So that also you have to bring in 0 times. Now 200 we got the question. That is the number of ice cubes. So you have to write here number of ice cube equals 200. 200. What we need? Ice cubes needed to fill this box. Okay? I think it is clear for you.
Okay, now we did 3 different types of word problems from this section C. Now you have to do the homework and practice it well at home. From the textbook page number 95, question number 1 and 2, and activity book page 83, question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, thank you.